what do I say about Ram Leela? Abhi say every critic is giving 4.5 and 5 stars to it. How does it feel, sir?
It feels really good. I mean, it's amazing. You put your best foot forward, you painstakingly put your blood, sweat, and tears into something, and then you get a good result, a pat on the back, a validation, from critics, from audiences, and it feels really, really good.
From the first time we've stepped out doing promotions, it's ironic that we step out in either like I'm wearing a certain color and he happens to be wearing the same color pocket. I guess it's the Ram and Leela effect that we're having on each other. I think the only common thing that Ranveer and I really brought to this film, or rather the beginning of this film, was listen, you and I are working with Sanjay Leela Bansali for the first time. So I'm going to find solace in you, and you are going to find solace in me, and we're going to make this happen together. Working with someone like Sanjay Leela Bansali is not easy. This film for us especially, and especially now, and I can very confidently say when we see the reviews, everything that we've put into this film, blood, sweat, tears, everything that we've experienced in our lives that we've put into this film has finally paid off. But the journey was not easy. Every single day on that film set was exhausting.
I do believe that Ram Leela is the culmination of a most fantastic year for her. This is just the beginning for Deepika, I believe. Truly one of the most gifted actors that I have acted with, and really one of the warmest people.
The first thing that we shot was that song Lahu Muh Lag Gaya. That was the first thing that we shot of the film. And there were so many, secondary artists, and there were so many people on set, and everyone was waiting. And I entered, and I could suddenly feel like everyone was looking, and I suddenly felt a lot of pressure. I felt like I needed to perform, I needed to deliver, and most importantly, not let him down. So that for me is validation. I think those are the moments that you really cherish as an actor.
And a lot of industry folk, a lot of people connected with Mr. Bhansali saw the film, and the reactions were amazing. I was there at the interval point, I was there at the end. People were like, I need to catch my breath. What's going on in this film? And then at the end, they were like, I need 5 minutes. I need 5 minutes. So it was, the reactions have been like, oh my God, what a film. And my God, that was an intense experience. And that's really, that's great validation for us. Then this morning, after getting those reactions from the industry people, we read the reviews, which are 4.5, 5-star reviews, which are like, whoa, amazing. That was unprecedented, more than we expected, really. And then this morning, getting messages from all the trade guys, like, my God, you guys are on fire. It's just, you can't get a ticket. So really, overwhelming, truly extraordinary, and really unprecedented. So it's really safe to say that right now things are going through the roof, and I'm really, really excited about it. Thank you.
Looking at the response, I think so. Looking at the response, definitely. And, when you sign a film, you never know the fate of a film. You sign a film because you believe in the script. Your gut instinct tells you that you should sign this film because you're going to have a great time making this film. Sanjay Leela Bansali is known to bring out the best performances in all the actors that he's worked with. It's a story that we believed in. It's a story that we have worked together as a team, not knowing how the audience is going to react. But honestly, I'm truly overwhelmed. The more people are saying it, I feel like I start choking up, and I feel like I start getting emotional, because this is a reaction I don't think any of us had expected. So much love, so much warmth towards the film. People want to go and watch the film again and again and again. So yeah, looking at the response, I would definitely say that it's definitely a dream role and a dream come true more than anything else.
Item song Priyanka Chopra बहुत कमाल का लग रहा है पिक्चर में, और that was the last thing we shot also for the film. लोगों को गाना बहुत पसंद आया.
मैंने प्रियंका जी को पहले दिन ही ट्वीट किया था कि she's never looked better. She's looking absolutely breathtaking in the song. The way she's performed, I think. That's one of the USPs of the film. जब आप देखेंगे, she's performed beautifully. She's looked amazing.
Deepika, I have to say, the way you look in Ang Lagate Re, I don't think, forget you, I don't think any heroine ever in Indian cinemas looked like that.